All right, so we're going to do a tour of cabin 6593, which is located on the starboard side, more forward, and this is a promenade view cabin. All right, so here we go, 6593. All right, so here we are midship, and basically your cabin. And it doesn't really tell you much down here on this guide, but we are pretty much definitely totally midship. All right, so you got your light switches. We'll start with the restroom first. You got your sliding doors, which I love about Royal, is the sliding doors, which now some of your Carnival ships have them. Now remember, only one of these cabinets here work. Only that side over there opens up. And then you have several shelves in there. This side does not open. All right, so in here you have your shelves naturally. Your safe is actually in the closet in this deck. Now we've seen 3 different cabins on this ship and 3 different locations of the safe. And your shelves, really small TV, unlike the ocean view room we just saw. King size bed, naturally closer to the interior of the room with a small love seat. Okay, your phone, which has the USB port in the side of it. Your mirrors. Now both of these do open for a little bit of storage. They're both identical. As you can see, they're not very deep. Again, no USB ports. 2, they call them 120, but I've always called them 110. You have your drawer here underneath your chair, and then your mini fridge. And then one thing cool about this room is you're overlooking the promenade deck. So you can just sit inside the room and look out on the promenade. So when they have little parties and stuff like that, you really can't hear anything and you can't open anything, but you can hear it. So here's an overall view. And there you go. Thanks for watching.